Alright, so this is part one of reclaimed wood tiki bar. So all the stone that I got here came in on pallets. And it seems like a decent pallet around here is a little tough to get, so I took the pallets that I got my stone in on. Kind of made my measurements for a tiki bar. I'm kind of finishing up just the skeleton of the bar itself. It's going to be on casters. It's going to go here on this wall. It's got to be able to go into my house in the wintertime and fit under this softening right here, this incredibly large, perfect softening. So it'll roll under and be sheltered from a lot of hard rain. But yep, this is part one.